Okay, so we're here pulling the toilet to put the vinyl down, and what we did, we took loose this bolt. We took loose this bolt and we unhooked the water. First of all, we turned this water off and unhook it here. Whenever you unhook that, you always want to have some paper towels or napkins or something here, because you're always going to get a little bit of water out of that. Now when we pull this up, it's key to keep the back of the commode higher than the front, or water is going to pour out. If you raise the front up higher than the back, you're going to have a mess. So there's going to be wax underneath it there. Going to want to clean all that up off the floor. Okay. So we usually take a piece of pad with a chisel or something just to clean the wax up off of there with. I want to pick this up for him. Spin it around. I don't know if you'll notice, I'm keeping the back higher than the front. Looks like most of the wax stayed down there, which is good. That means there's not going to be much underneath of there. But he is going to clean everything that is there off. And I'll show you here. We're going to set this in the commode, in the tub, and then we'll lean it back and drain it. Notice we're keeping the back higher than the front. You run this. Okay, I'm going to lean this back now and drain the water out. So this is what happens if you lean the front higher.
Oh, I thought he was taking a shower.
That way when we put the commode back, we don't have to worry about it leaking out. Okay, so some people like to put the wax seal on the bottom of the toilet. I don't. I like to set it right there. And then I just line my holes up on the side of the toilet. Go that way. Okay, I got you. Okay, so as long as I get my hose lined up with my bolts on each side, there and right there. Okay, and just sit on it, mash it down. So I just looked on the sides, matched up here, matched up there, and took it straight down on it.